Hi Mike. So as we discussed in our last meeting, I'm reporting this issue where if the simulator location and customer currency is matching, the payment is still not getting processed. If the Stripe account has some other country set, so for this particular in this particular case, I'm using Australian currency, Australian dollar, and the reader that I'm using is having location set to Australia, Sydney, and this is the customer I'm using whose currency is Australian dollar. So if I try to use reader for this customer, yeah, this is error I'm getting, and if I check the logs, uh, I think logs are not generated yet for this particular case, but yeah, this kind of error I'm getting. The card present currency not supported. Yeah. So I'm reporting this issue. Let me know if Stripe location should also be same as what we are setting for the customer currency and reader's location. Thank you.